Hey guys, this is Julia Bell from IndependenceJewelry.com here with another wire wrapping how-to video. This project is great for beginners and we are using the same technique that we used in my last week's video. So if you missed that, make sure you go back and check that out. To start this project, we will need two 8-inch lengths of 20 gauge round wire. Bend both wires around your ring mandrel one size smaller than your finished ring size. Now slide the ring band one size bigger to the size you want your final ring to be. Pressing firmly with your thumb, start bending both sets of wire equally on each side to start your spiral. Continue bending the wires equally on both sides. Now you'll notice our ring band is starting to get bigger. This is a good thing. This leaves us room to wire wrap our design and keep our wanted final ring size. Remember to make your spiral a little bigger than you would like so you can make a memory in your wire, which makes it easier to maintain a smooth curve. Unwind each individual wire slightly while maintaining the smooth curves. Slide a 4mm bicone bead onto the wire and bend around the ring band once. Use your chain nose pliers for assistance. Now switch sides and do the same thing without a bead. Make this wrap closer to the spiral. Again, alternating sides, gently wrap the top wire in a curve above the bead, and then wrap around the ring band to secure. Do this for both sides. Wrap the last wires around the ring band a few times, then trim, file, and tuck in the ends. This ring is done! Thanks for watching, everyone. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.